Steam at 100 degrees centigrade is passed into 20 gram of water at 10 degrees centigrade. When acquires a temperature of 100 degrees centigrade, the mass of water present will be: take specific heat of water 1 calorie per gram per degree centigrade, latent heat of steam 540 calorie per gram. A 24 gram, 31.5 gram, 42.5 gram, 22.5 gram. Suppose m mass of heat converts into water of temperature 80 degrees centigrade. Heat liberated by this steam mass of steam heat liberated by m mass of steam इसके दो पार्ट होंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट steam of 100 degree centigrade converts into water of 100 degree centigrade temperature, and this is equal to m into L. M into L is latent heat is 540 calorie, m calorie. सेकेंड पार्ट होगा water of 100 degree centigrade converts into water of 80 degree centigrade, that is ms mass into specific heat into temperature difference. M into S is 1 calorie per gram per degree centigrade. 1 into 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 m calorie. Total heat liberated will be 540 m plus 20 m, 560 m calorie. Heat absorbed by water of 10 degree centigrade to raise its temperature to 80 degree centigrade, that is ms into delta T. Mass of water is 20 gram, S is 1 calorie per gram per degree centigrade, and this is 80 minus 10 is equal to 1400 calorie. Heat liberated is equal to heat absorbed, hence 560 m is equal to 1 calorie. m will be 1400 by 560 and this is approximate 2.5 gram. Total quantity of water 20 ग्राम इनिशियली था और स्टीम और कन्वर्ट होगी वाटर में m ग्राम, तो 20 इंटू 2.5 22.5 ग्राम वाटर होगा 22.5 ग्राम. दिस D is correct option. Next, certain quantity of water cools from 70 degree centigrade to 60 degree centigrade in first 5 minutes and to 54 degree centigrade in next 5 minutes. The temperature of surrounding is 45 degree centigrade, 20 degree centigrade, 42 degree centigrade and 10 degree centigrade. According to Newton's cooling law, dTu by dt is equal to K T2 dash minus T1. dTu is temperature difference. dt अगर फर्स्ट केस देखें, dT2 is temperature difference and that is 70 minus 60 is equal to 10 degree centigrade and dt is equal to time taken, that is 5 minutes. T2 dash average temperature of water and that is 70 plus 60 by 2, 65 degree centigrade and T1 is temperature of surrounding. And K is constant. तो वैल्यूज़ पुट करें, इक्वेशन हो जाती है dt2 is 10 by 5 is equal to K 65 minus T1, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकेंड कंडीशन में टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस 60 to 54, तो dt2 is in second condition dt2 is 60 minus 54 is equal to 6 degree centigrade and dt is 5 minutes. T2 dash is 60 plus 54 by 2, 57 degree centigrade. तो इससे इक्वेशन हो जाएगी 6 by 5 is equal to K 57 minus T1, equation number 2. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 1, so 6 by 10 is equal to 57 minus T1 is 65 minus T1 or 3 by 5 is equal to 57 minus T1 on 65 minus T1. 195 minus 3 T1 is equal to 285 minus 5 T1 or minus 3 T1 plus 5 T2, 285 minus 195 is equal to 90. This is T1. 2T1 is equal to 90. So T1 is 90 by 2, 45 degrees centigrade. The temperature of surrounding is 45 degrees centigrade. A is correct option.